In today's video, I'll teach you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. So first of all, once open WhatsApp application, you can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. So if you want to change your profile picture, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture that is selected right now. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the profile informations over here. Tap on this option edit right below your profile picture. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the destination of your choice. You'll be able to click the photo right away, or you can also select from gallery, or you can also select the avatar. You can also import from Instagram or Facebook, or you can also create the AI images. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option gallery. If you also did that, what you have to do is tap on the photo that you would like to use. Now once you do that, you'll be able to crop it, or you can also rotate it. After you're done, tap on this option done that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your profile photo has been updated. So like this, you'll be able to change your profile photo. So that is how you change WhatsApp profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.